just going to make a little Thai soup here. It's going to be a 2-minute job, so got some garlic here. I'm just going to smash that in my mortar and pestle. I've got a shallot in there as well. Throwing in some coriander root to get most of the flavor. Some lemongrass. Some lime leaves. Hot peppers. And fresh ginger. Oh, it isn't actually fresh, but I'm not going to the store, so it's going to be what it's going to be today. But ideally fresh ginger. But this stuff that comes in the jar, not bad in a pinch. And I'm going to put about 2 good tablespoons in here. And give that just a little bit more of a push. Maybe a few more hot peppers. And just turning on the heat here. Just give that a second. And I know